She actually set out some of these details. She said they gave a status report, and in that status report it says the leak detection cell has been strengthened. 2,000 leakages have been pointed out and repaired in the last 6 months. A significant shift has occurred through the introduction of the Career Line channel for transporting raw water from Yamuna and Ravi Beas sources. Earlier it was transmitted in Delhi at Wazirabad and Haidarpur through river course and unlined Delhi sub-branch, resulting in 50% loss in the river course and 30% loss in unlined canal. So they're saying we have been at it, we have been working towards it, and that work is showing results. The 50% leakage has been plugged.
It is complete, no, it is complete eyewash. And I will say this from personal experience. On the 8th of June, in the New Delhi Lok Sabha Kshetra, around in the GK Vidhan Sabha, just 1.5 kilometers away from the Delhi Jal Board office, a pipeline had burst. The leak had been happening for almost a week, and nobody took cognizance. I know that the citizens went and complained to the representatives of the Aam Aadmi Party. Everybody turned a blind eye. On 8th of June, I complained to the officials of the Delhi Jal Board. They took immediate actions and they actually fixed it by the 9th of June. I really want to know, Padmaja, it only shows that there is a lack of political will. हिंदी में कहते हैं ना कि अगर नियत हो तो नियति भी बदल जाती है, लेकिन आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार की नियत ही नहीं है दिल्ली को इस जल के संकट से उभारने की, और इसीलिए दिल्ली को प्यासा मारना दिल्ली वासियों की एक नियति बन गई है. And the only reason why they are actually not doing anything about this water crisis is because this is not a natural crisis. This is a self-created artificial crisis orchestrated by the Aam Aadmi Party government. It happens every year. Even the Honorable Supreme Court took cognizance of this. The court has observed orally and said that 2018 same thing happened, 2019 same thing happened. They have been in power for a decade and they have not done anything to repair the infrastructure. They keep asking for more water. They keep on blaming Haryana. They keep on blaming the officials of the Delhi Jal Board. But it is their job to ensure that there is no proliferation of water. It is their job to ensure that illegal tanker mafia does not operate. It is their job to ensure that there is no more water wastage. And they have not done anything about it.
You know, speaking of Niyat, the minister even spoke of how DJB officers and the officials there, unki niyat shayad kharab hai. She quoted the example of how the Delhi Jal Board decreased the number of tankers deployed by it, despite her instructions to increase the same. In fact, she even said that perhaps the chief secretary and the CEO of DJB are in collusion with the tanker mafia and that they should be suspended. These are the people who are hand in glove और ठीकरा आप फोड़ रहे हैं आम आदमी पार्टी के सर पर.
कितनी दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण बात है ना कि मंत्री जी एक बार फिर दिल्ली जल बोर्ड के अधिकारियों को बलि पे चढ़ाने पे आतुर हैं. मैंने आपको खुद बोला, मैंने 8 जून को निवेदन करा था दिल्ली जल बोर्ड के अधिकारियों को. उन्होंने 9 जून को चीजें फिक्स कर दी, जीके की पाइपलाइन उन्होंने फिक्स कर दी. बट देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ पॉलिटिकल विल. आतिशी जी को अगर माननीय मंत्री जी को प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंसेस से फुर्सत मिलेगी तभी तो वो कुछ काम करेंगी. लेकिन आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार एक बार फिर से प्रचार प्रसार और भ्रष्टाचार में लिप्त है, काम तो कुछ कर नहीं रही. These statistics that I actually presented, Padmaja, they should shock one's conscience. 52% of water being lost to illegal tanker mafia. This is shocking. Water wasted of up to 52.35%. Even in developing countries, it is only up to 10 to 20%. And ये मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ, ये जो इकोनॉमिक सर्वे ऑफ दिल्ली बोल रहा है, ये खुद दिल्ली जल बोर्ड का सेकंड क्वार्टर का बजट की रिपोर्ट है. और ये सारे के सारे आंकड़े आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट के समक्ष दिए गए. एंड दैट इज द ओनली रीजन व्हाई दे रिटर्न्ड एम्प्टी हैंडेड फ्रॉम द ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया.
Finally, I want to ask you, Atishi has gone and met the chief minister in jail. Apparently, she has carried back instructions on how to deal with this latest crisis. Is there hope that now with the fresh guidance of the chief minister, this is going to be tided over?
Unfortunately, no. Because the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Arvind Kejriwal ji, has been the Chief Minister of Delhi for the last 10 years. And this crisis is a recurring crisis that happens every year, every summer, because of his omissions, because of him not taking adequate steps, because of the inaction of his government. It is only this year that the Honorable Chief Minister was arrested and had to surrender and is in jail. He was always at the helm of affairs before this as well, but the crisis was never averted. This crisis can only be averted if there is political will and if the Aam Aadmi Party government does its job of at least repairing the infrastructure of the Delhi Jal Board and ensuring that the illegal tanker mafia stops operating in Delhi.
Well, whether it be the flooding of Delhi or now the scarcity of water in Delhi, every time the buck cannot be passed. Hopefully this time around there'll be accountability and a solution. Thanks very much, Basri Swaraj, for taking our questions.